There is nothing like a quick escape into the Pisgah National Forest to clear your head and test some gear. Today, I'm heading out of Brevard, taking 64 west over to Highway 215. This is one of my favorite drives in North Carolina. The climb is incredible, especially if you take it up to the Blue Ridge Parkway. Now that I'm on Forest Road 4663, the real trip starts. I'm heading to one of my favorite dispersed campsites. It's quiet, rugged, and the perfect place to set up camp, even if it's just for a couple of hours. One thing I've learned from years on the trail is that organization is everything. I keep my entire fire starting kit staged in this Artemis storage box. There's no digging through the drawers or bags. When it's time for a fire, I just grab the box and go. Today, I'm using the Solo Stove Campfire model. It's the perfect size for a solo trip like this. To get it going, I'm sticking to the essentials. Some resin-heavy Fatwood, a butane lighter, and a box of waterproof matches I keep in that bag as a backup. Using the small Solo Stove works perfect when I want a quick campfire and I don't feel like processing any wood. I can just collect sticks and twigs that are on the ground and it burns super efficient. When I'm building my fire, I like to start with a little bit of that Fatwood. It catches a flame almost instantly. Even if the wood around the campfire is a bit damp or wet from the mountain mist, this Fatwood and Solo Stove combo creates enough heat to dry out the small twigs and get a secondary burn going in no time. Breakdown is just as easy. When you're done with your fire, dump out the ashes. Within a couple of minutes, the Solo Stove is cool to the touch. In just a few minutes, I've got a hot, nearly smokeless fire. There's no better way to enjoy a Pisgah afternoon than sitting by a stove and taking in the silence. If you want to see the full gear breakdown or grab some of these items for your own rig, check out the links in the description. I'll see you guys on the next trail.